Chris, you're the CEO of United Silicon Carbide. Thank you for taking the time. A few months ago, Analog Devices announced a big investment into United Silicon Carbide. Tell me more about the relationship between your company and Analog Devices.
Sure. First, thanks for meeting with us here at PCIM, Ralph. So we've been working with the team at Linear Technologies, which was acquired by ADI, for about 2.5 years now. So they've been incorporating our normally on JFET technology and forming their own cascodes and their own power supply designs. So working together, our devices are a terrific way for them to extend both the power class and the voltage class of the devices that they make. And it's been just a wonderful collaborative relationship for the last couple of years, and they actually chose to make a strategic investment in UnitedSiC in order to make sure that that relationship continues and they get continuity of supply.
So you are probably the only left that is delivering JFETs, silicon carbide JFETs, which advantages has a JFET over a MOSFET?
Sure. So first you have to think about how you compete against a vertically integrated competitor in the silicon carbide business. So you have to be more innovative than just making a Me Too silicon carbide MOSFET, and you have to enhance the feature set that we provide to our customers beyond what a normal silicon carbide MOSFET provides. And so the JFET structure fundamentally, even though it's normally on, when cascoded with a normally off low voltage silicon MOSFET, affords our customers a standard gate drive, a short circuit rating, and the highest performance body diode in the industry. So those feature sets are what are really, really valuable to our end customers. And so, in particular, from a silicon carbide design-in perspective, we're able to drop in and replace for silicon superjunction devices. So, particularly at 650 volts, without any change in the gate drive. So yes, the core switching silicon carbide device inside of our packages is normally on JFET, but that's transparent to the user. What the user cares about is price and performance in the field.
But of course, everybody is a little bit reluctant to use a normally on device in his system. How do you try to persuade your customers?
No persuasion is needed, really, Ralph, because the devices that we manufacture and sell to users, for the most part, are all normally off. So when the JFET is series connected with a custom designed low voltage silicon MOSFET, the device is intrinsically off. And what I'm fond of explaining to people is every material system we should let do what it does best. Silicon makes a great gate oxide for making MOSFETs. Silicon carbide has great bulk channel mobility for the lowest specific on resistance at 1200 volts and 650 volts. So we basically maximize the performance of every material system and afford that performance to our customers.
So which are the news here for the PCIM show?
So as I mentioned about our superjunction replacement program, it's been really exciting here at PCIM to release our latest 650 volt products, now in D2PAC 3 lead, and TO220, and in 3 different RDS-ons across those package types. So 30 milliohm, 40 milliohm, and 80 milliohm devices, all targeted at the low RDS-on superjunction market, where we have customers routinely replace superjunction and LLC and instantly get higher efficiency without any change to gate drive. So by Q3 of this year, we don't have another show to get together at. We will have the largest silicon carbide transistor portfolio in the world, going against replacing silicon. That's our key design and strategy.
So, Chris, thank you very much for taking the time.
Thanks, Ralph. Good to see you again.